Soldering often causes problems in the installation and repair of refrigeration and air conditioning systems. Thanks to our solder-free LOKRING tube connections, this is finally a thing of the past. Completely without heat generation. That means you save all the necessary safety precautions for soldering. The fire regulations and soldering permits cease to apply. So there's no additional bureaucracy and bothersome waiting. On construction sites, elaborate safety gear and heavy soldering equipment are no longer needed. Even in busy offices, you can carry out installations without interrupting operations. However, we don't just make installation easier, but quicker too. Each LOKRING connection is 40% faster compared to a soldered joint. Our ingenious principle also provides for better quality, because when soldering, even experienced professionals can't always avoid damaging the air conditioning system with heat or solder residue. Handling LOKRING, on the other hand, is easy to learn and uncomplicated. So after only a short time, you're able to apply our system quickly and reliably. It's this simple. First, deburr the tube and thoroughly clean the tube ends. Use the stabilization insert to give the connection more stability. Mark the insertion depth of the tube. Then apply lock prep evenly to the entire tube circumference. Lock prep penetrates even the finest cavities and fills them completely. Now push the tube end all the way into the connector and press the LOKRING onto the connector using the hand assembly tool. Finished. No matter what connection you're creating, LOKRING offers the best solution for every installation situation. For over 30 years, LOKRING tube connectors have been successfully applied in the refrigeration and air conditioning industry. More than 1 billion LOKRINGs have been installed since then. That makes Vulkan LOKRING the world market leader in solder-free tube connections for refrigeration and air conditioning technology. 5 production sites and more than 30 subsidiary companies and sales representatives ensure top quality and worldwide service. Thousands of air conditioning system installers already put their trust in the perfect LOKRING technology. Make your installation easier, faster, and more cost-effective with LOKRING, the best connection.